So, hi dear Gemini, a very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a journal of reading for all the Gemini, Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising. Keep in mind, this is general. It might or might not resonate with you at the first place. The second thing, the roles can be reversed also. Third thing, this is a reading from 7th till the 13th of October for those who are in complete no contact or no communication and wants to know what's going on the other side. If it is not resonating, it's not your story. You can just skip the video. Okay. If you want to be a professional tarot card reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. The link is in the description box for the same. If you want to start your self healing journey with Ho'oponopono but don't know from where to start, you can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. Again, the link is in the description box for the same, and it has the power to change your life for the rest of your life. Trust me on that. I'm doing it from a very long time now. And if you want one-on-one healing sessions or personal readings, you can check out the description box and you can mail me for the same. So let's start. Okay, Gemini, the person that you are no contact or no communication with, their current feelings for you right now at this present moment. Let's see what's happening. We have the High Priestess, the Judgment, and the King of Swords. And in their mind space, it's Knight of Pentacles. So this person is kind of in this energy of doing things really very slow. It's like, okay, taking one step in 1 month and then thinking about the next step in the next month, and then not thinking about it at all, then doing third step in the next month. That kind of energy. This person don't want to rush towards you in any way. Okay. And when it comes to the feelings, they feel sorry for whatever happened between you guys, but this person is thinking about not asking for any kind of forgiveness. This person is feeling like they should keep their guards up, they should be very practical, very logical, and it's like their plan to keep their mouth shut, to keep their energy shut, so that you are going to chase them in some way at some point of time. They feel like keeping themselves at a distance from you deliberately so that you can chase them, you can run behind them, and you can tell them how deeply you love them and how deeply you miss them. What? And it's coming in their feelings. So you can imagine the kind of manipulative energies right now this person is having towards the situation. So they're not seeking for any kind of forgiveness or something. They're planning to keep their mouth shut deliberately so that they can make you chase them in some way. It's their plan. Let's see what this person wants from you. In their feelings, they want to be manipulative so that you are going to chase them and not them. It's like what this person wants from you from this situation. This person wants to put an end to the drama. This person wants to rush towards you to put an end to the drama, but at the same time, they want you to feel the same kind of pain that you made them feel by doing something that you should not be doing. I don't know what you did, but this person definitely wants to let go of the drama. At the same time, this person definitely wants you to go through the same kind of pain that you made them go through, and now they want you to realize the kind of pain that you give them is not cool. Okay. Wow, if this is making any sense to you, this is what they want. At the same time, they want to be focused on their money, job, career, their independence, everything about them. It's like them and them only. Let's see what action is this person going to take towards you, if any, by the 13th of October, honey. Gemini. We have the Page of Wands, the Hierophant, and the Tower. Bottom of the deck is the Knight of Wands. When you will be least expecting to hear from this person, when you will be least expecting to hear from this person, then this person is going to show up in your inbox like, hi, how are you? What are you up to? And all this. I don't see this person coming towards you for commitment and or marriage or for something long term or something like that. No, but they have this intention to go on that path eventually if this is going to work out. So suddenly out of the blue, this person is going to realize that it is possible between me and Gemini. It's not impossible to have a long term future, to have a long term connection. For some of you, if this person is already married or committed to somebody else, that marriage or that commitment is going to have a very shaky and rocky period. Then this person is going to connect with you because they are going to feel like, okay, let's try with Gemini. If it's not working out here, let's try with Gemini. Although this person is coming towards you with a very casual energy, but their intention is to get serious eventually in the situation if they are going to feel it's workable with you and you are also interested. There are lots of ifs and buts in the situation. It's not a clear cut situation, right? So yeah, I do see this person suddenly out of the blue connecting with you when you will be least expecting them to connect. Then at that time they will be taking some kind of action, unexpected action, sudden action towards you. Again, if you're going to sit on your ass and waiting for this person to come back around and talk to you, it's not happening. The moment you are going to forget about it, detach from the energy completely, boom, unexpectedly. Guidance, I guess the guidance is in the outcome itself, but let's see. Queen of Wands, yeah. Stay in your power, do your own thing, do whatever you can do to like keep yourself in your own energies, in your own power, like work on yourself, your passion, your personality development. You should be your number one priority, and you should be the center of attention of your own world. Everything else and everyone else is going to follow. Okay. So this is what I have for you. Hope this helps. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you. Namaste.